Hello guys, in this basic and simple video, I'm gonna show you how to check which version of Windows 11 you have. So hopefully guys, this simple method will work for you, and also this method will work in Windows 10. So both in Windows 10 and in Windows 10 and 11 method is same. Click on Start, search here Win, WINVER, WinVer, and click on it. So it's my Windows 10. Also you will see this window for Windows 11, and we can check here version and build. Another method you can check here, click on Start and search About, then click on About your PC. So here you will get all information about your PC, including version 21H2, its version. So thanks for watching, and please comment this video useful for you or not.